Affinity. Boost your IELTS vocabulary. Imagine feeling an instant connection with someone you've just met. That natural attraction or understanding is what we call affinity. Today, we're exploring this useful word to boost your IELTS vocabulary. Word type. Affinity is a noun. It's pronounced fin, it, with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, affinity refers to a natural liking, attraction, or feeling of kinship for someone or something. It can also mean a similarity or resemblance in structure between different organisms. Word history. The word affinity comes from the Latin word affinitas, which means relationship by marriage. Over time, its meaning broadened to include other types of connections and similarities. Synonyms. Some words with similar meanings to affinity include attraction, rapport, sympathy, and kinship. Antonyms, on the other hand, words that mean the opposite of affinity include aversion, dislike, and antipathy. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use affinity in different contexts. She has always had an affinity for classical music, finding it both calming and inspiring. The two scientists discovered they shared an affinity for researching renewable energy sources. Many people feel a strong affinity with nature, which explains the growing interest in ecotourism. His affinity for technology led him to pursue a career in software development. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse affinity with infinity, which means endlessness or a very large number. Also, remember that we usually say an affinity for or an affinity with something, not to something. To sum up, affinity is a versatile word that describes a natural liking or connection. By understanding its meaning, origins, and proper usage, you can effectively incorporate it into your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Try using affinity in your conversations this week to reinforce your learning.